We're gonna roll this mattress in this machine 100 times, isn't that right?
100 times?
Yes.
They claim that they are the first company in the world that made and invented the roll-up mattress. And we want to know if rolling up a mattress really is going to mess up the quality. So we decided to roll it up 100 times.
So the diameter is just about 33 centimeters. Now before we continue, I just want to remind you guys that we're not making any money from this. The factory is not paying us.
So why you choose to come to China?
I like to help different people who cannot come over to China by us coming to these factories.
So how does UK people speak?
All right, mate.
All right, mate.
I'm gonna ensure that this is the only mattress that we're gonna roll up today by providing it with a sticker. See how easy that was to roll it. This is the first one. So it's 24 centimeters now. After it was compressed, it was 5 centimeters. So let's put it back in and then we'll see how thick it is after.
All right, let's do it for 100 times.
And would you believe that it's still
24.
So what they told us is before the roll-up mattress was invented, the shipping cost was actually more expensive than the cost of making an actual mattress. Before, only 80 mattresses could fit into a container, and now it can fit 500. This also saves a lot of hassle when delivering to your bedroom. That's a huge game changer, so for you guys, you get much more affordable mattresses now. While it keeps rolling, let's go and check out the factory.
no kicking, no kicking.
Tracy is having fun right here.
Oh, wow. Please don't break. Okay. So Tracy, where are we?
This is the first step we make a mattress. That is the fabric. The fabric yarn to become the whole piece of the fabric made from here.
It be able to create like unique patterns like on there in a very efficient way. I wonder how much would this machine cost?
My boss said this is 1 Ferrari, this is 2 Ferrari.
And it's called Starling.
So Elon Musk was in making mattresses.
This is the second step to making the mattress and use these machines to quilting the fabric and foam together. They will install the fabric there, and the second layer will be the fiber, and it becomes a barrier layer to make the body heat release from this layer faster. We also have some unique with one like memory soft, memory foam, air foam. We have many different patented foam. First one to use this memory foam is US laser.
Look at this. I feel like such a small child in like a Cinderella thriller.
Wow, it looks amazing.
Yeah, look at. So you said there are thousands of needles inside operating, and they are always creating these patterns here.
So Tracy, do you actually have a mattress with your name on it?
My customer, they use my name as a mattress name.
Oh, no way.
They always choose like a lady name.
They're like Amber, you know, like Emily.
We have a lot of customers, they are ranking the top 10 leagues in their country. For example, in the American market, we have the top 10 leagues, 4 of them are our customers.
So theoretically, if I wanted to create my own mattress, I could come to you guys.
Yes,
And we
sure.
could work a little deal out basically, and we could have machine and mattresses all over the world.
Yeah.
I'm gonna jump. Wow, it's pretty nice. You want to jump on there?
Well, that was quite fun actually.
我们这个海绵都是有各种化学物质发泡的情况。刚发泡的，因为海绵它会氧化的，就很容易氧化。
It doesn't.
It doesn't smell.
I don't think it smells.
最少达到卷包，最少要25密度以上。非卷包的在市面上的话，其实最低大概8的密度都有。
So there's actually somebody behind, and there you can see their hand sticking out. And look how big it is. Yeah, so it's being compressed.
That was cool, but let's see how our mattress is doing.
Now are they going to continue to make it up to 100 rolls, which is crazy. I can see Tracy over there. There it is. We have the sticker, it's still there. They're going to roll it up with the pillow.
Can you roll a burrito?
I forgot how heavy this is. Oh,
Lay down on it.
oh
24?
24. What are the next steps?
We are going to see how will the spring inside make. This is the pocket spring production line. From here to there.
This is the spring production line. The metal wire has been sent to the machine and curled into springs. Then it is packed into individual bags that are connected together to form the shape of the mattress.
As you can see, this is the 5 zone. 7 zone. So for head, shoulder, and different parts of your body will get a different support that could better adapt it to your body shape. Each coil wrapped into the bag, it works individually.
May I?
You are bouncing around, but I'm not really moving at all.
Really?
Yeah,
You cannot feel that?
I mean, I can feel a little bit.
So this kind of spring shape, it helps the mattress could be compressed and comes up better.
When you press, the middle doesn't press that much. It's the top. And the skinnier part will probably become wider once it's being pressed down.
We open to the whole industry. Since the time we have this patented, we are doing something that we will share to our relatives, to our friends, and we work together to make the whole industry go right. You may be feeling I have different accents because I learned from UK customer and learned from Australia customer.
So how does UK people speak?
I don't know.
All right, mate.
All right, mate.
And our workers over there, they are doing the gluing job. That is the gluing machine.
Wow.
We call it the hot nail glue. It will, we're sure this is 100% without any harmful substance to human.
How many hours do you sleep every day?
If I can, I will sleep 9 to 12 hours.
12 hours. So this is the final mattress, huh?
Yeah, this is the bottom size of the mattress.
This is actually... Yeah, that just looks weird now. Why did your bottom go up and down?
You know, when you're jumping around, can it simulate other activities? So if you ever want to make a pizza, this is the type of roller you need, basically.
Rolling, forcing, that even stimulate using the mattress for 5 years, that the data will come out. We will assure our customer a 10 years warranty on the mattress.
10-year warranty, wow.
Besides that, they do a lot of crazy testing.
100,000 times they test the spring.
They test these parts in ovens to simulate all kinds of different environments the mattress will endure during the shipping in the ocean for 20 days. Can you believe that? They sell it to the Middle East, but also to northern countries such as Finland. The drastic temperature change will influence the material inside.
So now we know how mattresses are made.
Yeah.
We still have one final thing to do. We need to go and see how our mattress is doing. Have we made it to 100 and how is it coping? Let's go and check it out.
Where's our sticker?
Where's the sticker? And would you believe that it's still
24.
It's still 24. I hope you guys have really enjoyed and learned something from this video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you next time in Messina. Cheers.
Here's the egg.
It's still a raw egg. Let's do one more.